Whether you play your media from a smart TV, a streaming box, or a laptop across the room, a mini wireless keyboard with a touchpad makes what you've got function like a streamlined home theater setup. As long as your media playback device has a USB-A port or in some cases, Bluetooth, you can use this helpful peripheral to browse menus, control media playback and even play games. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for choose mini keyboard with touchpad. With so many different mini keyboard on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the 5 best mini keyboard with touchpad on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. RE i4 Mini Keyboard with Touchpad. The RE i4 Mini might look concerningly generic, but RE has proven that their remote control-sized keyboards are designed for easy use with a number of media sources. This inexpensive device has a compact keyboard, a mini touchpad, and just enough width to tuck away its wireless dongle. This palm-sized keyboard will be tricky to type on for those with large hands, but thankfully, the latest version of this mini keyboard uses a traditional home row layout that you would find on a US keyboard. The keyboard is LED backlit and has basic home, menu, reload, and volume hotkeys. Media hotkeys play, pause, etc. are sadly absent from this keyboard, but it does have a nifty scroll bar. The trackpad performs decently, with a 1-finger tap left-clicking and a 2-finger tap right-clicking. The shoulder buttons can be used for faster clicking when you are typing. Product number 2. LEOBOG 2.4 GHz Mini Wireless Keyboard. The LEOBOG H20 Mini Wireless Keyboard Touchpad Combo is an interesting all-in-one keyboard design that has a large QWERTY keyboard on one side and an approximately 5.3-inch touchpad on the back side. The benefit of this layout is that you have a larger space to type or navigate with your finger. The downside, however, is that you cannot use the touchpad and the keyboard at the same time. This is a fair trade-off, though, as the LEOBOG keyboard isn't designed to do anything too crazy complicated. It has a standard keyboard layout with a full-function row and some strangely placed media hotkeys. It can be used to easily make searches in a media database or change settings without getting up from the couch. Though this device has physical volume buttons and left/right click buttons, the latter are less useful on the whole. That's because most users will find it much easier to use the full suite of touch gestures to navigate menus. Product number 3. Mini USB Multimedia Keyboard. It is no coincidence that the Sriga N5901 Mini handheld keyboard has the same model number as the beloved Lenovo N5901. Sriga has manufactured a faithful recreation of this now-defunct mini keyboard, which is so sought after that it now sells secondhand for over its original MSRP. And despite its unconventional ergonomics, the N5901 lends itself well to a variety of uses. This remote's condensed keyboard has raised keys that are surprisingly easy to navigate, despite their cluttered grid design. This version does not have backlit keys, but you may be lucky enough to find the backlit version online at some point. Punctuation and other characters are left to function commands, while more commonly used characters have their own keys. Product number 4. Ponibro Backlit Mini Keyboard with Touchpad. Despite its unoriginal design, the Ponibro Mini Wireless Keyboard is still worth your consideration. It has a compact keyboard with colorful backlighting that makes it easy to see at night. It has 2 top button clusters, one with 4 scrolling buttons and one with basic media playback buttons. It has several other hotkeys for menu navigation, but they don't work the same on every platform. The touchpad supports several multi-finger shortcuts, but it is a little too sensitive even on its lowest sensitivity setting. This dongle is plug-and-play with almost any Windows, Android, Mac OS, or HTPC device, giving you tons of ways to use it. One incompatibility to note is that this keyboard doesn't work when you try to use it with a Roku when it is plugged into the TV. But aside from that, every other device we tested it with at least recognized it. This keyboard has a rechargeable Li-ion battery that charges via micro USB. Its battery compartment also has a hiding spot for its wireless dongle when taking this keyboard on the go. The Ponybro might not be the perfect mini keyboard, but it has enough helpful features that you can't really go wrong with it for its price. Product number 5. Wireless Backlit Multimedia Keyboard. The K18 Plus Multimedia Keyboard from Real Internet Idea is a compact keyboard with nearly full-size backlit keys and a 4.5-inch touchpad for easy navigation of HTPC menus or Android TVs. Its low price makes it a great budget alternative to the Logitech K600, even though the user experience isn't quite as smooth as it is with the more premium keyboard brand. Its full keyboard can be almost fully lit up with red, green, or blue LEDs. The only buttons that don't light up are its dedicated media playback buttons and its left and right-click buttons. You will find additional media controls bound to the function row of the keyboard, as well as a function lock button to more easily access said controls. The chiclet-style keys are fairly silent but also somewhat mushy.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.